These are two old analog lenses made for use with cameras as our old Canon AE1. We bought them in lots with other stuff. We will keep the other stuff because we have use for it, but we have no use for these lenses. Are the lenses worth to use with a digital camera? We checked it out. The Danubia 400mm was made in the 1970s or 1980s as a universal lens for all mounts. It has a T2 mount and fits all brands. The Tokina has a Canon FD mount. Aperture can be set to manual or automatic mode when using Canon FD mount cameras. Both lenses can be used with digital cameras in manual mode only. To use these lenses with digital cameras you need adapters, the T2 adapter for the Danubia and a FD adapter for the Tokina. Connect the adapter with the lens. Remove the lens on your digital camera and mount the vintage lens. Now you are ready to take images with a vintage lens, or to have some very disappointing experiences. The Tokina fits and can focus to infinity with our digital cameras. The Danubia has a swiveling tripod mount and that is all. The Danubia can focus with our T2 adapter with the Fujifilm cameras, and can focus with the old analog Canon AE1. We adjusted the adapters but the Danubia can focus after that. The old Danubia is useless, but the Tokina isn't much better. It works very well with our old Canon AE1 for which it was made, but its function is not satisfying with any of our digital cams. Aperture full open, the image quality is very poor. Step down to f8 and 11 it is slightly better. Step down to 16 images are vignetted and very low in contrast. These are images made with the Fujinon kit lens 16x50mm, the Samyang 12mm and the old Tokina. In this magnification all images are fine. But in greater magnification you can see that the Fujinon kit lens is the winner. Sometimes images taken with the old Tokina are looking like old Kodachrome slides. It is hard to reproduce this style within a session because it depends on sunlight. EXIF informations of Tokina images can be disturbing. All our image software is able to show these images upright. Our video software keeps it this way even after processing in photo software. Color and saturation of the Tokina images are depending on focal length and aperture. These images were taken within 20 seconds, not great for video or still images. Chromatic aberration can be seen even at f11, 16 and 22 and in the middle of images. All chairs in this image have chromatic aberration and poor edge sharpness. Details are not sharp when using the old Tokina on a digital cam, but in front lighting the old Tokina sometimes performs very good. We will sell the useless Danubia and keep the Tokina for some more experiences.